guys, today's topic is how to divide your topic, your 8th grade presentation topic, into 3 subtopics. See, the thing is, your topic is so big and there's just so much information out there on every topic that we have to break it down into smaller chunks. Okay, so as a model, we're going to use Kyle's speech on Disney that he did, and this is all of his work from before. I'm going to take you through the way he did it, and you're going to do basically the same thing. Disney is just a huge topic. There are so many different things he could talk about Disney, and each of them could take 5 to 10 minutes and longer to talk about. So he needs to break it down. I mean, he could talk about Walt Disney, do a biography. He could talk about Disney animation, Disney movies, Disney theme parks, Disney characters, a history of Disney studios, Disney as a business, how Disney has influenced culture. There's so many things and a lot more than is on this list. And so Kyle decided the direction he wanted to go with his Disney speech was he wanted to talk about how Disney has influenced culture, because that's what he was most interested in. We're going to start at this page in the packet, writing the thesis statement and breaking it into subtopics. So the report's going to be divided into 5 sections. You're going to have an introduction, you're going to have a conclusion, and then you're going to have 3 sections in the body. So he had to divide how Disney influenced culture down into 3 parts, basically, that would break it up into manageable chunks for his audience to listen to. So what he decided to do was he decided to spend some time talking about Disney animation and how it influenced culture, Disney's inspiration, what inspired Walt Disney to do all the things that he did. And then his last segment was more focused specifically on Disney's impact on society. And you're going to do something similar. You're going to find a way to break your main topic down into 3 roughly equal chunks. They don't have to be exactly equal, but they should have, roughly about 2 minutes each. You'll talk about animation for 2 minutes, inspiration for 2 minutes, the impact on society for 2 minutes. You have an introduction and a conclusion, and that's going to end up being your speech. But our process today is breaking it down into 3 subtopics. You may want to have 4, you may want to only have 2, but we're going to do 3. It's a nice number. So where we're going with this is, once Kyle had divided his topic into 3 subtopics, it became a lot easier to take organized notes. He took notes on 3 different color cards. He had one color for all the information he found on Disney's animation. He used another color for all the stuff he found on Disney's inspiration, and then he took, on a 3rd color of a card, he put all of his information on how Disney impacted society. And that made it a lot easier to move forward with different sections of his speech. One of the next steps in the process is to create a mind map. And this happens when you've done most of your research. And it's a way to start visually organizing your information into your subtopics. You can see here that Kyle's speech on Disney has been divided into his introduction, his conclusion, and then the 3 subtopics: Disney's animation, its impact on society, and his inspiration. After that, you'll be creating an outline kind of like this. Same speech, how Disney has influenced us. He's got an introduction, and then he's got his body that's divided into 3 subtopics. Subtopic 1, or A, Disney's inspiration. Subtopic B, Disney's animation. And subtopic C, Disney's impact on society. And then he's going to have his conclusion, divided into 5 subtopics. And this all leads us to a speech that's divided neatly into 5 sections. We got an introduction, subtopic 1, Disney's inspiration, subtopic 2, Disney's animation, subtopic 3, Disney's impact on society, and a conclusion. Okay, now that you know why we're doing all this, it's your turn. Turn to this page in your packet and divide your topic into 3 roughly equal subtopics. Have fun.